Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I will be showcasing you different methods through which you can turn off the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. Also, we are going to be remapping the side key to the power menu. So let's begin the video. Now, the first method is using the two-button combination. You need to press the volume down and the power button simultaneously at the same time for a few seconds and you will get the power off menu. Once the menu appears, you can simply tap on the power off or restart. Now I'm going to be pressing the power off button and it will show you another power off menu. Just tap on that and your phone will be turned off. Now in order to turn the phone back on, just hold down the side button until the Samsung logo appears here. So in this way you can turn on your device. Alternatively, if you don't want to use the two button combination, you can just get through this page by going to the quick panel. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick setting menu. Right at the top, you will find out a small power icon. Tap on it and it will bring up the exact same menu where you can shut down or restart your device. Now the third method is going to be fixing the side button. In order to remap the side key, you need to navigate to your setting, scroll down and tap on advanced feature. Under the long press section, you will see it's set to digital assistant. Change that to the power off menu. Now, whenever you long press the side button, it will bring up the power option instantly. So guys, that is in this particular video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.